Okay. Oh, shiny. Now guys, look around you, the device you're holding, the synthetic fibers in your clothes and packaging of your meals. We are undeniably living in the plastic age. Hello, I'm Nazrul Ikram from Class 4D. Today we are going to move beyond the surface of the paradoxical marvel and critically destruction to compelling documents that expose the grim reality of our plastic footprint. The first video is a plastic pollution provides a macro perspective on this crisis. It presents a forefront dichotomy. Plastic is a miracle of human engineering that accelerates modern civilization, yet its indestructible nature coupled with our restless overconsumes has morphed it into an essential ecological threat. Come firstly, the second video, what really happens to the plastic you throw away, offers micro narrative. It personalizes the crisis by illustrating that a polymer's ultimate destiny is entirely dictated by our waste management system. It's a stark reminder of the thin line between environmental devastation and sustainable rebates. To truly comprehend the gravity of this issue, we must confront the staggering data. Since the dawn of its mass production in 1915s, humanity has generated an astounding 8.3 billion tons of plastic. That's most alarming revelation. Roughly 90% of this imperishable legacy has been recycled. These polymers do not merely vanish, they persist for up to a millennium in landfills. Projections suggest that by 2050, the biomass of fish in our ocean will be outweighed by our plastic debris. It's a mathematical trajectory towards an ecological collapse. From an analytical standpoint, the creator employed distinct rhetorical strategies. The first video utilizes a macro cause and effect paradigm. It meticulously maps the genesis of plastic manufacturing as the catalyst, directly linking of the catastrophic effects and global biosphere contamination. Videos 2 or the second videos, however, save complementing chronological narrative by tracking sequential timeline of three essential battles from the refinery to their different fates. It forced the audience to follow the inevitable chains of events driven by human intervention. Let's engage, guys, in a counterfactual analysis. What if the tragic trajectory of Battle 2 was entirely disrupted and our global infrastructure ensured all plastic mirrored the destiny of Battle 3? We wouldn't just be mitigating ocean pollution, we will be actively transitioning from a toxic linear take make dispose model into a robust circular economy. This will drastically slash greenhouse has halt marine biodiversity loss, considerably by careless discarding bottle two into the environment. We initiate a devastating boomerang effect as these polymers integrate into microplastic. They don't disappear, they bioaccumulate up the trophic levels. The toxic residue absorbed by marine life inevitably returns to our very own dinner plates. Ultimately, the villain in this narrative isn't polymer itself. It's our systematic mismanagement and cognitive dissonance. This documentary dismantles the illusion of throwing things away because there is no way. The journey of 1,000 years is in a toxic landfill is dictated by a split second made by human hands. Systematic change demands individual accountability. Therefore, my actionable commitment begins today. I will aggressively audit my single-use consumption, rigorously segregate my domestic waste, and transition to reusable alternatives. We cannot write the history of plastic age, but we can decode its future. Thank you for engaging in this critical reflection with me. Stay mindful, and I'll see you in the next review. Thank you.